Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a yogurt dip. It's a very simple process, so I don't want to waste any more time talking. Let's just get straight to making this yogurt dip. First, open a box of yogurt. Now I'm just going to churn this around so it becomes smooth. So you can pass this through a sieve as well, but if you really want to save time, then just do what I'm doing. This will literally take 3 minutes to make. Now in goes some ginger garlic paste. Now I will put in just a little bit of mustard, so very little. And the seasoning, very important. All of that is going in it. Some chili flakes, so you can add as much as spice that you can handle. And add some more spice to it, some Tabasco. Salt. Some white pepper. Now I'm just going to mix all of this together. Yep, and you can serve this with some chips. Perfect party dip, very easy to make and absolutely delicious. So guys, make sure you try this easy dip at home. It is really simple as you've seen. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care.